How to send photos in PDF in WhatsApp without losing quality. Here's the easiest way to do it. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Normally, when you send photos or videos on WhatsApp, they're automatically compressed, which lowers the quality. But by sending them as a document, you can keep the original quality. Here's exactly how to do it. Once your file has been saved, open WhatsApp. Now open the chat where you want to send the file. Then tap the plus icon in the bottom left corner. From the menu, select Document. Next, tap Choose from Files. Browse to the folder where you save your photo or video. Then tap the file to select it. Finally, tap Done and then tap Send. That's it. Your photo or video has now been sent as a document, so it keeps its original quality instead of being compressed like a regular WhatsApp photo or video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.